Unraveling the Slang. Understanding, no chill. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning a breeze for you. Today, we have an interesting slang phrase on our plate, no chill. Don't worry if you haven't come across this phrase before. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive right in. No chill is a slang phrase that's become quite popular in recent years. It's used to describe a person who is overreacting, overly excited, or unusually upset about something, often to the point of being unreasonable. When someone is said to have no chill, it means they are not calm or composed and may be acting in an extreme or intense manner. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. She found out her favorite band is coming to town, and now she has no chill. 2. In this sentence, no chill describes someone who is extremely excited. 3. He's got no chill when it comes to video games. He takes them way too seriously. 4. Here, no chill refers to someone who is overly intense or passionate about something. In this case, video games. 5. Why are you so upset over a TV show? You have no chill. 6. This example shows no chill being used to describe someone who is excessively upset or emotional about something relatively trivial. You can use no chill in informal settings, especially when you are talking with friends or people of your age. It's important to note that this is slang and might not be suitable for formal or professional settings. Here's how you can use it. To describe someone's over-the-top reaction, whether it's excitement, anger, or frustration. As a playful tease when someone is overreacting to something. To describe your own feelings when you are incredibly excited or upset about something. And that's a wrap on no chill. We hope this video has helped clarify what this slang phrase means and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, language is always evolving, and staying on top of slang can help you understand and connect with native speakers better. Don't forget to practice, and soon, using phrases like no chill will feel like second nature. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep chilling and keep learning.